Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Hadian khandru Sngi ba ilaja na layeng lalap ya kamet jong Meiieid jot khalingdo ibalah nyu phunrus nam karta ibade na kasnong Krem South West Khasi Hill District na Nongkheit tiet na kawe ka jaka balong klau baju khot ka Krem Motbih Pamske ka bahap apo kasnong Krem ya kamet jong ini Meiieid ibalaja na duk ka janmit ka sautrik noitung ada phunreu lalap hakapor kumba lai bajin no phai Sngi katkom ka jingthu umitri kasnong Krem uba Pascal walang ulong banadu Meiieid jot khalingdo ilaja kasnong barok kawe kamsim la songthat banwat snong handai omsim la lap satya bar hak khasan trik unaitung ada phunriu kipai ba nong susnong rengkat kajing telang bar katana pulit ru kila persang banwat rengkat kajing rap lang ujung ukso kinan perban kani kajing tre sitom kamsim la seiso satya handai detat hak arpho tarik unaitung ada phunriu hakopor kumba arbaje no Sngi melalap yakamet la pentip no sakibor pulit bar kajing toket halo kani kajing ja kalaya sakman.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.